Hey y'all, look what I got. The book is in 12 Laws of Entrepreneurship, The Mind Shift of a Millionaire. It's here, you guys. For those of you who've already ordered, thank you so very much. I'm now preparing to send autographed copies to everyone who is interested. And this is so important. I created this book with you entrepreneurs in mind. The goal is to succeed and get money, but you have to have that mind shift. So I want to talk about one of my favorite chapters, Become One with Your Purpose. That's crucial. The reason it's crucial is because you want to become grounded. You want to understand your vision, convey it well by walking in your purpose. And to do that, you want to get the 12 laws of entrepreneurship. You're going to get the bag, and we're dropping the gems here. No fluff at all. We're getting straight to the point. It's Amazon's top 100% of short reads, quick 45 minutes. It's a business entrepreneurship Bible, and you've got to have it. I mean, you can read this thing on a plane. You can read it anywhere. The goal is to succeed and get money, and I want you to do that. Make sure you go to the website, www.succeedandgetmoney, and you can order it on Amazon, but if you want an autographed copy from your girl, I'll get that to you expeditiously. Don't forget, I'll see you at the top.